Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to talk about these two lovely tote bags out of my collection. The reason I wanted to talk about these two tote bags is because they're similar, because they have a commonality. So if you like videos like these and bag comparisons, go ahead, stick with me, hit like and subscribe. Let's go ahead, let's get started, let's jump right in. So I have the Coach Hudson double handle tote in signature chambray, and then I have this Karl Lagerfeld tote. I believe the name of this tote is the Karl Lodge tote by Karl Lagerfeld. I may be right, I may be wrong, I'm not sure. The similarity though, however, that I did want to compare it with my double-handled tote by Coach is that both of these are double-handled tote bags. Now I noticed that when Louis Vuitton came out with the on-the-go tote, we all know that the on-the-go tote has double handles. It has the smaller top handle where you can go ahead and handle the bag by the top handle, or you can put the bag over your shoulder. So the Louis Vuitton on-the-go tote has that. Coach then came up with the double-handled tote bag and they called it that. You know, when one company does something with the handbags or with the designer brands, other companies follow suit. Coach came out with the double-handled tote bag in signature chambray, the Hudson, and Karl Lagerfeld now has this tote that has the double handle as well. So here is the Coach double handle tote, and you can see it has the longer straps to put over your shoulder. And this is a very quality bag. Of course, we know Coach makes very quality bags. So the handles are very nice. Then it has the smaller handles where you can go ahead and carry the tote with the smaller handle. So that's very, very nice for Coach with the double-handled tote. And then it has the longer handles where you can go ahead and put it over your shoulder. Now the Karl Lagerfeld tote bag has a similar short handles right here that you can go ahead and carry the bag as a top handle tote bag. And then it has the longer handles right here. I was so surprised when I located this bag by Karl Lagerfeld. I was so happy for it to add it to my collection, being that it has the long handle straps just like the Coach signature bag does. So that makes it very easy for throwing over your shoulder, this bag right here. Very easy to go ahead and toss over your shoulder and go. The interior of this bag is so nice because it has a lovely print as well. And when you're not using the double handles, you can just go ahead and stick them inside the bag so that they don't get in your way, or just leave them to drape on the outside of the bag like that. And the interior has a very beautiful, very nice Karl Lagerfeld design. Go ahead and show you the interior of this tote bag. So you can see it has a very cute design with Karl Lagerfeld for, you know, Karl Lagerfeld Paris and the Eiffel Tower. Very nice on the interior there of this tote bag. It also has a lining that's, you know how we have base shapers? It comes with its own base shaper. So you know how we sometimes go ahead and order a bag organizer or a base shaper for a bag? This tote came with its own base shaper. So I thought that was pretty cool. I didn't have to order a base shaper for it. It came with its own canvas base shaper for the bottom of the bag. So you can see the bag is canvas, and that's the interior of the bag. And then it came with a base shaper that just lines the bottom of the bag perfectly so that it'll keep its shape. And then this is the interior of the Coach Hudson. Let me tell you guys, the other day, I left this in here because I wanted to talk to you guys about this. The other day I had one of these little detection, you know, alarms. These are one of the little detection alarms that they put in the bags so nobody can swipe the bag at the store. And when they sell you the bag, they don't take them out. So sometimes they're in the side pocket. And one of these was in the side pocket of my bag when I went shopping the other day. And it was setting off all the alarms in every store that I walked in. It was so embarrassing until finally I went in my bag and realized that they didn't take that out when I initially purchased it. And I had had that bag for a long time. So yeah, those detection stickers come in the bags with the bags. Make sure you go ahead and take them out your bags, ladies. So today I just wanted to talk about these two lovely tote bags. I just wanted to do a comparison and show you guys the double-handled tote bags that I currently have in my collection. If you like videos like these, go ahead, stick with me, hit like and subscribe. Check out my playlist on Coach and other handbags, and I'll see you girls in my next video.